Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for joining us today. Today we'll be speaking about what to look for when you're buying NFT. Please watch the whole video to find out all the details. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Alright then, let's get started. NFTs are becoming increasingly successful commodities in 2020 and 2021, and there appears to be no end in sight to their increasing value and appeal. NFTs, on the other hand, have a comprehensive pricing structure that can sell for tens of millions of dollars. So if you're planning to invest a significant amount of money in an NFT, it's critical to think about a few things. So what should you look for before making a purchase? 1. The unique properties of the NFT. Collections are a common form of NFT. Take a look at Mechaverse, Bored Ape Yacht Club, or Peaceful Groupies, for example. Individual avatar NFT artworks, each with its own set of attributes, make up these NFT collections. More features can occasionally lead to a better value, and that isn't always the case. Simpler avatars, such as the basic Bored Ape NFT, are perhaps the most valuable. Check the uniqueness of your preferred NFT traits if you want to boost your chances of buying an NFT with a future value trajectory. You'll want an NFT with the lowest proportion of commonality in the collection. These percentages can be found in the attributes section of the NFT's homepage. 2. Seller verification. On sites like OpenSea, official vendors will have a blue verification tick beside their existing account to show legitimate and not imposter profiles. If you want to buy from a well-known vendor such as Cool Cats NFT, check the account verified. However, this verification tick cannot always be utilized to verify the seller's validity. Many reputable NFT vendors do not yet have their verification tick on some sites, much as certain social media celebrities do not yet have their verification click. Verify the purchaser's online profiles to see whether they have a large following and a verification tick, which may indicate their authenticity. You can also look at their sales statistics to discover if it's a long-established account selling your desired NFT or if it's a new account. 3. The market platform's transaction fees. A transactions fee is usually levied when you trade crypto, buy an NFT, or do anything similar on a commercial value. Traditional e-commerce platforms like eBay and Depop have identical fees, although they vary based on the forum. OpenSea, for example, charges buyers a 2.5% transaction fee, with 2.5% of the selling value going to OpenSea. Buyers, on the other hand, are not required to pay a transaction fee. The bulk of NFT marketplaces, notably Known Origin and Axie, are in this situation. Nevertheless, other platforms such as Rarible add a 2.5% fee on top of the NFT pricing each transaction to the purchaser. So, before making any investment, make sure you're aware of any pre-existing costs on your trading platform. 4. NFT liquidity and market volume. It's vital to remember that NFTs might not have comparable liquidity as cryptocurrency, because you can't convert an NFT into regular cash as readily as you can with cryptocurrencies. This could be difficult for anyone looking to benefit from them. To boost your NFT's liquidity rates, several experts recommend fractionalizing them, partitioning your NFT into smaller pieces. In addition to liquidity, the NFT industry's market volume should be considered. NFT market volume is around $10 billion at the time of writing, and its increase or fall is highly reliant on the type of NFTs acquired regularly. 5. The value of performance of the seller's other NFTs. It's always a smart option to examine the seller's account if you want to be sure your chosen NFT is an intelligent investment. You may check through their prior sales to see how much their items have sold. After that, you can scroll down the table to see whether the same NFTs sold for a few weeks or months earlier. The minimum price is the lowest price at which NFTs are traded at the bottom end of the predicted value. It'll give you a decent understanding of how NFT prices fluctuate and whether they correspond to what you see in your selected NFT in the future. Although sell and purchase NFTs can provide significant profits, there are numerous faults you can make when considering a purchase. Cybercriminals are increasingly exploiting the NFT market significantly, and certain NFTs are not worth purchasing. So, before you finish your deal, assess and evaluate each of the factors listed above. Well, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until we see you next time, ciao!